Okay, this is how to find when altcoin cryptocurrency season starts.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Or begins. In this case, we have a couple different websites. Again, cryptonews.com, pretty similar to another video tutorial about altcoin season. This is just a general article that's saying what is altcoin season index and when is it coming. Okay, there's a summary about what altcoin is. Basically alternative coins than Bitcoin, because there's a Bitcoin season, altcoin season. They have the previous different cycles right here. Excuse me. And different signs. You can see this is what we're looking at if you invest or are planning to invest in cryptocurrency. The next website is the altcoin season index website itself. As you can see, to the left we have Bitcoin season, and to the right we have altcoin season. And currently we're almost towards the middle, but when this goes towards the right, we will be more into the altcoin season. You can even scroll out on your mouse and scroll down, and as you can see here, these are all the times when altcoin season has been in effect with the whole cryptocurrency Bitcoin cycles. This next website, it's not displaying, but I'll leave all the links